Hell yeah. We out here. What's up, Weatherman Marco, coming at you with another update. It's dry as hell outside. Dry and cheap pussy outside. You feel me?
Hey, so
that's where he gonna be at.
Darren, what's going on today?
Finna fuck this nigga in Infinity right here. Or whatever you call
Come talk to me for a second. Come here. So what's gonna happen here?
So what we about to do? They take one of these. Take one of these Infinities from the light, and we gonna skull drag their ass to the next light.
I was zoomed in on your face the whole time.
I know your ass.
Look, Alright, so this dude, so Darren, there's a good chance we going to jail today, right?
Nah, man. I'm gonna line, but this light right here?
I guess. I don't know what this, man.
We slow down, we catch the light. I hate racing back this way.
What the hell? Bro, there's no way this is going to work.
He going back that way?
I get. What the fuck?
Big ran the red light.
We're going to get him the right lane. Alright.
Just go! Just go!
20 roll. What just happened?
When you talk shit to folks on the internet and your car slow as fuck, they don't go together. You feel me? That's just how it works, you feel me? I don't know what happened. He was so fast on Snapchat, but that's just what it was, man.
So what happened?
I really need to say?
just watch the video, okay? just watch. Misfire #1.
That's not Misfire. Misfire right there.
Oh wait, loser #1. Misfire #1. Let me turn that down real quick. Oh, we're gonna go over.
Fuck it, I wanna swing this bitch.
You got traction off?
Yeah, I know. Oh, that bitch did not like. Oh shit!
That's them damn Michelin.
Man, them bitches won't let it. Them bitches won't let it.
You need my tires.
Oh God.
Goddamn. I ain't gonna lie, these popping the whole time.
These bitches won't let it get loose. I love these tires. Bitch, you crazy with them already. I can't put that on YouTube.
I gotta cut that out.
They warm though.
And right when they got like this, you gotta make them black and white.
It was at that moment. You realized.
I told him to just go.
No, I'm saying, did you tap the gas though?
I was like half. I told him to just
He was
go.
half throttle when he went.
It's
and then he
your
just.
turn now.
Huh?
It's your turn now.
Okay.
Go over there and tell him. And you don't bullshit him, because I want a big ass gap for this channel.
Yo, right there, I told him.
Shit, I gotta edit.
He got a quadruple.
So what happened there?
You feel me? We just went out there, we executed, you know, 100% of 100%. We just went out there and executed. I like to thank the execution and, you know, execute.
So what happened here, Jason?
Please examine what he said.
So Misfire fired.
Richie, what happened? So, as the GoPro clip is gonna show right here. It was at this precise moment he fucked up.
You didn't insert that one. God damn it,
It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Your mama house that way.
You get beat, and you text me and say, BMW so slow.
Got all moves, man. Caesar, I got one rule.
Yeah.
Don't kill me.
I'm trying not to.
The seat halfway bolted,
Oh, yeah. I forgot to.
I'm gonna die. And before his whole car rattled apart. 3 valve, do you want to say what's done to it or no? going to?
A couple bolt-ons.
Couple bolt-ons versus. This is a hybrid Q50.
Yeah. Hello?
You pulling up to the gas station?
I'm finna race this Q50.
Oh shit. Well, I just pulling out some cash if they gonna bet on something. They only let me pull out $200.
Shit, alright.
They ain't betting.
They ain't betting.
Nah.
Shit, I'm about to race, bro.
Alright, bet.
Alright.
This nigga better be getting the goddamn.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
You got brakes, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
Little bit. I told you I'm gonna die. Oh, these lights. Yeah, I'm gonna die tonight.
Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
I smell brakes. I smell brakes too.
God damn.
Here, let's put these bitches in the puddle. Hopefully they'll.
What the fuck?
Oh yeah.
It smell like.
Dang,
Oh god damn. Yeah. I think the best way to describe that, I think that smell is burning fish pussy.